What is your name?
Musa.
Musa. Musa who?
Musa.
Who?
Musa.
Musa who?
Musa.
What's your father's name?
Okay, Ibrahim.
Okay, your father's name is Ibrahim. Musa Ibrahim. Where are you from?
Awka.
Awka. What do you call you can do?
Kidnapping.
Kidnapping. Now you dey kidnap people from back.
Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. On the 12th day of January, if I'm not mistaken, but that was January, okay? There was a video I made, and I said that there was an information that was sent to us that there is a Fulani gangs of kidnappers who are in Awka, Anambra State. And these are the time we have tension in Anambra State of kidnapping and all those things. But I was countered. And the reason why I was countered, because they said the governor, Tinubu, in quote, have said that people kidnapping are Igbos, people who are the Biafra agitators and so on and so forth. But I think this video carries information that has vindicated me. Take a listen.
Is from Awka?
Yeah.
Awka, what do you call you can do? What did they do? What did be a walk? What did be a walk?
May I kill Eh?
What did be a name? What did they work for here? Babu English ko?
Bring Tambeka. May I palu munkamaka? May I palu munkamaka? What you have will catch you? What do you do?
Mundaone muda bokana mungu.
Can I walk out? Namama can I magana banza?
What is your name?
Musa.
Musa. Musa who?
Musa.
Who?
Musa.
Musa who?
Musa.
What's your father's name?
Okay, Ibrahim.
Okay, your father's name is Ibrahim. Musa Ibrahim. Where are you from?
Awka.
Awka. What do you call you can do?
Kidnapping.
Kidnapping. Now you dey kidnap people from back here.
I follow this man. I ain't do kidnap for this area.
Okay, now this one they do kidnap for this
Now
area.
my brother call me here.
Okay, now your brother call you.
Die go run.
Okay, that go run.
That one,
The one where you name? The one where run? Where you name of the one where run?
Mason now on the
One day good.
yeah, Mason.
Sunanchi Ali.
Eh? Ali?
Yeah.
Okay, your brother name Ali, don't wear on. We should have start this work.
How many time now? Which time I start this work? How many years now?
Shekane kata yake. Shekane. Mimi do beno de wana tunga kirani.
Waka.
Wana tunga kirani.
How many years?
Wana tunga kirani na dona.
Okay, this one will catch you now. Now you don't do before.
Who be Oga? Who be Oga?
Yeah.
Who be Oga?
Die go run.
You go run.
That one where they run.
Okay, that one where they run. Now be Oga.
We go on a top two now. Why did you lie? One day good.
Oga? Who be Oga?
That Oga why they get gone. He there for Awka. Now in get you Oga this boy. Why they do knife for here? Now in they get gone. Now in they do knife for this area. That Oga he there for Awka now.
Wait, what the name of the man?
They now.
What your name?
Okay.
Your name?
I don't know. As this my name, Oga.
You don't want to tell me your name?
Yeah. Umar.
What is your Oga name?
Umar. Yeah.
Umaru who?
One day go to Ali Sunanchi.
Ali?
Yeah.
Yeah, I
You
couldn't
don't go talk to him.
No one say.
You go talk to him.
Yeah, wait, no one say.
Now, do you understand the terror network of the Fulani terrorists in Nigeria? There is no place that they spare. From the north to the south, east to west, they are everywhere. So when we talk, it's not because we hate a particular tribe or we hate this. We are trying to bring the reality out of so many issues on ground because people find it difficult to understand the truth. And that is why we do what we do. Now, before I go forward, everybody is raging because of what the DSS director said, that community should start mobilizing to retaliate against all these Fulani terrorists and any other kind of terrorists and, kidnappers that is disturbing villages. A lot of people are reacting in different ways. But there is something I want to tell you about the man that you people don't know. The man is from Oyo State. Where the man came from, this DSS director, okay? Fulani terrorist has been bombarding there, so his own community is under siege. DSS director, his own community is under siege. You know, time with that number, I do tell people that time will come, both the heads, the tail, this thing is going to affect everybody. Time will come, people will beg for this country to separate. Time will come, people will begin to do everything that they should have done before. And now, people have not come to reason with us what we are saying. Remember that few years ago, few months ago, we are talking about the issue of kidnapping. This is dangerous. This is this, this is that. Everybody should wake up. It's like, oh, these people they are nuisance. They don't know what they are saying. People call us nuisance. But now, it has become the talk of the day, and we are laughing them. It's not a laughing matter because it's holistic. It's still affecting me though. It's affecting everybody. But because we are prepared for it, we are dealing with it decisively. Unlike people who never prepared for it. So many people did not prepare for it at all. They were caught unaware. People who prepared for it are giving them the level of retaliation of their own attack. And that is what they understand. That is the only language they understand. Now, the DSS director is a Christian, okay, from Oyo State. And his own community is under siege. What will make him not to come out to say the truth? There is nothing that will make him not to come out to say the truth. The reason why a lot of people are not saying the truth is because of two things. Number one, they have a tie with people who are looting the treasuries of the nation. They have a tie with, politicians, board directors and so on. So they make the economy of the nation. They are benefiting from it. It's difficult for you to speak against what you are benefiting from. They are benefiting from the injustice, the kidnapping, everything that is going on that is not good in this nation. They are benefiting from it. These are the people who belongs to politicians who they will give contract of building of hospitals. They won't build it. They will build substandard if they build at all. And when they are sick, they will fly abroad and leave those hospitals they have built or constructed for the poor masses. Your president just jetted out of, Abuja to Paris. They say he's going to, working leave, I don't know. But indirectly, he's still going to medical checkup in France. That is where his doctor is. Imagine a president don't have a good hospital where he can treat himself. Because the rest people in the nation, he don't see them as humans. He sees you people as animals. So he's not part of you people that can use substandard hospitals in Nigeria. So he just out and called it names. Any name he called it. He might call it that he's even traveling for a business trip or to woo investors. Nobody knows. They play with you people. They play with your intelligence. And that is why we are here. We are where we are. So Nigeria is not sustainable. So the DSS director coming out to speak the way he spoke, people did not understand where this man is coming from. This community has been under siege. So this man knows what is going on. He's now calling for people from every community to join hands together to deal with the terrorists. But it's too late. It's too late because when we started talking all these things right from time, a lot of people never understand. They did not understand what we were saying. They were saying that people want to divide the nation. Nigeria has been divided. If you talk, they say, oh, no, don't cause war. We're already at war. At the time I was listening to her say all these young generations, they don't know what we went through during Biafra. Hey, I say, Mr. Man, the mistake you people made is the reason why we are where we are today. We're already at war. You are talking about war. Okay? And some persons will come to my comment section and say, oh, Okocha, why are you... So you are a warmonger. That is exactly what you use. A warmonger is somebody who always talk about war or wants war. No, we don't want war, but we're already in the war declared against us. So we're already at war, and the war was declared against us. So that is the situation at hand. It's a terrible situation anyway. But what I'm saying is that every community should take what the SS man says serious for people who don't know that before. But for us, I think we know that right from time, okay? And I do talk about vigilante group. I said support your vigilante group in your community. Look for them. If you people don't have set it up, don't listen to anybody, okay? Don't listen to anybody. You have a right to live. You have a right to live. You don't have two lives. It's just one life. So if anything happens to this life, it's just gone. So take your time and understand where we are and to know what to do. Thanks for listening.